Alyssa, language.
Hola, come on, stop.
That's Mickey. That's Alyssa. And that's Lisa. And whoa! Wow.
Oh, shut it.
Ah!
Okay.
Alyssa, look at me. We're gonna zoom in on her nose.
That is not kind.
Yeah, I know, it's generous. And there's Mickey.
Hi.
And there's Lisa! Jeez. Okay, now hurry. There's Lisa. Oh, that's pretty smart. Oh, and there's our two balls.
That's lovely.
I know. Oh, look at Alyssa's butt right there.
Zoom in. It's sexy, you know it.
Yes.
You know, there's like a dried grape up here.
It's like a raisinish grape.
Green.
Just hurry your ass down. Hurry! Okay, ready? Okay, so Alyssa's in front and Lisa's in back. Hold up. Okay, ready? Set, go. This is some funny crap.
That was hilarious. Let's see it.
And cut.